What's going on, everybody? It's Connor from here at Nitrous Express, and I am back to show you all these awesome intake manifolds that we have pre-plumbed with our very own NX nitrous systems. These intakes are brand new and the installations have all been done by the expert technicians here at NX headquarters so that you can simply pull the intake out of the box and install it onto your engine. Each component of these nitrous systems has been inspected upon installation, and the entire setup has been leak checked and flow tested to ensure that you receive the highest quality product available. The systems include 8 of our nozzles, 4 Lightning Series solenoids, anodized distribution blocks, 3/16 stainless steel lines, and stainless steel fittings, and all of these are pre-plumbed onto the manifold. We also include jetting from 2 to 500 horsepower, 6 AN nitrous feed lines, a wide open throttle switch, 40 amp relays and relay harnesses, a master arming switch, stainless steel bottle brackets, and a 10-pound nitrous bottle with the new billet aluminum NX Lightning 500 bottle valve. The manifolds that we currently offer are the Fast HR manifold for the LS3, L92, and Cathedral port heads, the Fast 102 manifold for the LS3, LS7, L92, and Cathedral port heads, the Holley High Ram manifold for LS3, L92, and Cathedral port heads, the MSD Air Force manifold for LS7 heads or the 2014 and up LT1. Lastly, we offer the factory LS3 intake manifold, or for those of you who want to fly under the radar, we offer a hidden spray bar option of the LS3 manifold, which will allow for your nitrous system to stay out of sight. If these options don't work for your application, we also have a custom direct port form on our website that you can fill out to send your intake in, and we'll plumb it however you'd like. To find out more information on these intakes, you can call 1-888-GO-FAST-1 or visit our website at nitrousexpress.com. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next, and I will see y'all next time.